Hey everybody, it's Evan with the Graniac here. First of all, I'll make this quick. I just want to thank all the new subscribers and views, especially on my covering the popcorn ceiling. That video, I'll show a link here or in the description if you want to watch that. Almost 13,000 views on that one. So apparently everybody's looking to get rid of that ugly popcorn ceiling. But the reason I'm showing you this bunch of wood is these are all my cutoffs from that project and a few other ones. And I need some input. I was going to make a audio diffusion wall, and I'll show some examples of what I'm talking about for my theater room or my living room. And I need some ideas on whether I'm going to make like three separate ones kind of put together like an art piece or one big one. And what I'm going to do when it's together, should I paint it all black? Should I stain it? Should I just leave it natural like this? This is mostly oak and some beech wood. I do have a little bit of walnut I could mix in there. But give me some ideas. Should I go with the 3-panel? Should I go with single panel? Should I do a really large one? Should I stain it? Should I paint it? And if I am going to paint it, what color? Should I go black? Should I go more of a dark walnut stain? Let me know in the comments below and I'll keep you updated. I won't start on it until I hear back from a few people. And I finished this table for a customer recently. This is a epoxy coffee table. They had given me a slab and I cut it down, routed the top, and done some epoxy to it. So it turned out really nice. Figured I'd show you that too. But yeah, again, I don't do these kind of videos much and talk to you and ask for input, but I figured I'd want to celebrate almost 200 subscribers. I'm at 190. I know we can make it there soon. We can get to that 1,000 mark, right? Let's get it done. And keep watching the videos. I enjoy it. Comment, like, subscribe, and I will talk to you soon. Thanks so much. Bye.